Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a lovely day. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. This is going to be an unboxing video and I've got a freebie alert for you, and it is, not that you can see it because this is the outer packaging, but it's feelunique pick and mix sample service. So this is what it looks like. This is how it comes through your post. So as always, if you're new to feelunique pick and mix sample service, I'll just give you a quick lowdown about what it's all about. But if you've seen it before and you just want to see the contents inside this month's box or what I've chosen, then I will add a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. So feelunique pick and mix sample service offers you the chance to choose 5 samples for free. You just pay £3.95 postage and packaging, and you can do that once a month. It's not a subscription, but you do need to sign up to create an account on feelunique in order to be able to choose your samples. When your samples are sent to you, you then get back your £3.95 shipping costs onto your account, so you're able to use that as a code off any future purchases, because feelunique is a huge beauty online store, so you can use that and you can accumulate 1 or 2, I believe, or maybe more, I'm not too sure. So essentially you are getting this box completely for free. So it's definitely worth taking a look, definitely worth having a look through and dipping in and out, seeing to see if there's any products you want to try before you buy. They do have a lot of brilliant samples now and again. You have to be quick though, because they do tend to go quickly, but also there's no set date when their samples come out. So they could release good samples like today, and then it might be another in like a week or 2 time, or we have seen in the past where it's been a month or so where they haven't released any new samples. Now there's around like 9-10 pages full of samples, so there's loads to choose from. But if you want something specific like makeup or hair care or perfume, etc., then you've got like drop down menus down the side, so you're able to click on that, and also you're able to choose the size of your sample. So you can choose like card, or you can choose pot, or I can't remember what the other ones aren't, vials and stuff. So I tend to opt for pot first, because pots are usually the bigger tube type of, hold on, here's one of my last ones. This is a pot, this is classed as a pot, and generally you're gonna get like a couple of mls in there, not your like 1 ml card sample type thing. So yeah, so there's that if you want to look out for that as well. So for me, because I've been doing this every month now, I'm always on the lookout for new ones, new samples, because I've probably tried nearly everything that is on there. They do get rid of the old samples obviously, and they do have a turnover, but yeah, so you hopefully you can understand what I'm saying, because I know I'm just talking too much now. Right then, I've lost track what I was saying. What did I say? No, I've gone. Lost it. What am I saying? I think that's it really. If you want to know more, and if you want to take a look for yourself, I would add a link down below. So click on the show more underneath this video, and that will bring up a description, and links to the pick and mix sample service will be down there. Oh yeah, one thing I forgot to mention as well. I've also got a Facebook page and an Instagram page called Diaryofabeautygeek. So when I come across new samples that have come out, and they're pretty good samples as well, like we've had a NARS lipstick recently. I had a NARS blusher, which is a good size blusher. Was it last month? Which is amazing. I love it. Laguna. I've never tried it before, but I love it. So when I spot new ones coming out, or if some of you message me to say, Claire, take a look, there's such and such is out, then I will screenshot it and I will post it up on my social media site. So as soon as I see them, as soon as I know about them, I'll pop them on there. So if you want to like follow me on there, you're welcome to. And yeah, so you'll get to know exactly when things come up. Not all the time, but maybe once or twice a month. And especially when I'm choosing my products anyway, because I always show you what products I choose. I always take a screenshot and show you the products that I've gone. So let's open it up and show you what I chose. So they seem to have a lot of Burt's Bees beauty products on there, a lot of their skincare range, and they do tend to do that now and again, and they're always good samples. So I've got a few Burt's Bees, so I'll just show you the first one. We got some wipes. So it looks like there. So these are Burt's Bees Facial Cleansing Towelettes with White Tea Extract for normal skin, 99.1% natural, 10 pre-moistened towelettes, and yeah, you just open it here. So that's the first item there, which I thought was an amazing sample. Really handy to pop in a bag if you're going away, or even just to pop in your handbag or something. It's a nice size, it's not too big, but yeah, so no, that's the first one. And then the second item is a Nourishing Lotion Original. That's what it looks like there. This is 25 grams, and what's it say about it? Nourishing lotion, and that is it really. So let's try a bit on my hand. Oh, it's nice and thick. It's really nice and thick. I might have had this before. It does ring a bell. I'm not sure. Oh, it's lovely. If you like honey scents, that is, it is really lovely. Oh, it's nice, so nice. But these type of sizes are handy if you are going away, and this is what goes through my mind when I'm choosing them, like thinking of shower gels and shampoos and things like that. Like I'm going to Amsterdam in a couple of weeks time, so I don't bring obviously my huge pamper bag of beauty products and things like that, so I try to get like little minis. So yeah, so I'm thinking ahead, trying to think, right, what type of things can I have? And these are free, aren't they? They are free, so it's worth looking at if you're going on holiday and thinking about maybe getting samples or little travel sizes. So that's that item. Then we got this, which is Cordali Vino Sauce, and this is a moisturizing sorbet for sensitive skin, and this is 10ml. I got this for my daughter. Now my daughter's nearly 13. She's tried this before. I've given her a larger version that I had in a subscription box, and she really likes it. She's got quite sensitive skin, and because she's dabbling with makeup, she doesn't wear a lot, but she's dabbling, but I'm trying to teach her like to look after her skin and to apply a light moisturizer on her face beforehand, etc. And she asked me if I had any that would suit her, so I had a look through all my little bits and pieces, and I found this one. It really suits her skin. Yes, it's quite expensive to buy for, you know, talking a 13-year-old, but if I can spot little sample sizes like this, then it'll last her a long while. So this is for her. I've tried it myself, and it is a really nice moisturiser. It is nice. It's quite nice and lightweight. So that's that. Then we got Jane Iredale and Smooth Affair. So this is a tinted primer, I believe. I'll have a look now. But in last month's or the months before, I had from the same brand it's a Pure Lash Extender and Conditioner. I blimmin' love this. This is so good. It is so good. When I'm having days where I'm not wearing false lashes, I've got non-existent lashes. They look like they've been burnt. They are so short and thin and stubbly, and they're not very nice at all. But because I've got quite fair lashes as well, when I apply that to my lashes, it sort of creates lashes that weren't there, if you know what I mean, and it elongates the ones that I've already have. So when I put on then my normal mascara on top, it just gives a nice fan effect to my lashes. I'm really impressed with it, really impressed. So I saw this and I thought, right, I'll give it a go. So this is a facial primer and brightener. I think I've already shown you, haven't I? So let's try it on my hand. I haven't tried it yet. Oh, it's not tinted. I thought it was. It's not. It's white. But yeah, you're not going to be able to see anything. It's just clear. No, nice fresh smell. I wonder if it's got vitamin C in it because it's a brightener. It's got that citrusy smell. But no, I'll have to have a look online. I'll have to look online to see more about it. So this is, what is this? We have got a 7ml here. So that's enough for a good few tries. And then lastly, we've got a mask, and this is Yes to Tomatoes, and this is a charcoal mask. Is it? Yeah, it is. Detoxifying charcoal peel-off mask for all skin types. And it says, yes to your favourite LBM little black mask with detoxifying charcoal to peel away impurities for clear skin. And the reason I got this is, again, for my daughter. She's going through a phase of like having greasy skin or greasier skin and a few little spots and blotchiness. So I thought, oh, okay, I'll get that for her. So those are all the samples, so I'll just gather them all up. So those are the 5 items I chose this month. I think this to buy, like in Boots, is about £4 or £5 maybe. I'm not too sure. I know it's a good couple of pound. I'm not sure how much value you can put on this, but probably this size you're looking at probably about £5. So I think because you're getting these samples for free, you're just paying £3.95 shipping. But then, as I said, you get that credited back onto your account. This is an amazing month for samples with them. So impressed, so impressed. Obviously there was a lot more there. There's a few items and lots more Burt's Bees products as well. There's quite a few new items that have come up there. There was feelunique, I think, but I think there was sachets. So nice products, but I think smaller sample sizes. But yeah, there was lots on there. So I think maybe, I don't know, maybe they're going through sort of a turnaround and they're releasing lots of nice new freebies. So if you've never done this before, I recommend going online and checking them out and seeing if there's anything that takes your fancy. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. And if you've ordered this month, please comment down below what items you choose. I'd love to know. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.